Hey, what's up you guys? Today's the day I'm finally going to be able to give away 2 Jeep paddles to 2 lucky AMG owners. Now if you watched my previous video, which is going to pop up here, just in case you didn't, go ahead and have a look at that, then come back to this video. I did an install video for Jeep paddles in the UK. They sent me these paddles in exchange to making them a nice simple install video for their product. I went ahead and did that, and they were kind enough, which I'm very grateful for. They sent me 3 sets. What I wanted to do with this extra 2 sets is give them away to you guys, to my subscribers, or to people that follow me and actually enjoying my content. I want to try to give something back to you guys, and I have the opportunity to do so. I am going to have more opportunities like this to give away some other items. I'm going to kind of, let the cat out of the bag on this one. I'm going to be giving away an R171 carbon fiber spoiler, and that's going to be on my next video. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, let's continue back onto here. So 2 Jeep paddles are going to 2 lucky AMG owners. And if you notice here on my screen, I have all the participants that are participating for this little giveaway. We have Aaron, we have El Gaff, The Speed 1, Hollow 500, Robert Lambert, Daniel Chambers, Dylan Sukrim, Lewis, Phil Sedans, Rodrigo's Garage, Alfonso Lally, Yellow Jacket Garage, Boosted Junkie, Michael Svad, and Miguel Lopez. And if you notice on their names, they have their chassis number right next to it, and right next to that, we have the color symbol, which S is for silver, R is for red, and Y is for yellow. So that's already broken down, so I know who's going to get what and to what vehicle. Now I'm only having 2 winners, and if you notice here on this wheel, everyone's listed that's in this input here. All I have to do is hit spin, and it'll spin, and my first winner will be announced. Hit spin again, second winner will be announced, and I'll be able to ship these out to the winners. Now, I'm not going to have any cuts or editings in this video. It's just going to be one solid video. It's just to make sure that, to show that I'm being fair, and to make sure everyone has a chance to win some free items. Now, if you don't win this one, don't fear. I'm going to have, I already have them lined up. I already have a good amount of giveaways where I can give away parts to help you guys, to give you guys a boost in modifying your AMGs, whether old or new. So stay tuned. I'm excited, and I can't wait to display those, but I have to wait until I get all my ducks in a row so I can go ahead and show you and well, give to you guys, because I would love to give you guys gifts for just liking and subscribing and watching on my content. Even though my content's pretty simple, it's nothing crazy. This is pretty much, I make this just for the non-car people, or the people that just are not really into cars and they want to try to get into it, and little things here and there can help them either improve or give them a little push to work on their vehicles themselves. That's the reason why I do these videos. These videos are very simple. Some are a little bit more complex than others, but it's only because they were requested by followers like you, and I do appreciate that. And so I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, and hopefully this helps any of you guys on my past videos to work on your vehicles and give you the confidence to do so. Now, with that being said, all I have to do is press spin. But before I do that, I would like to ask you guys, if you're enjoying this content, to like it, and if you want to continue to see content, subscribe. And obviously, if you know anybody that might find interest in what I do or what I make or what I create pretty much on this channel, share it with others so they can be pushed to my channel. Keep in mind, obviously, as you know this, people that come into my channel, it generates some support, and the more followers and the more I grow, I can improve on my video quality, I can improve on my audio quality, I can get bigger projects, slightly different projects. I can actually maybe get some more items like these from other companies, and to show you how to install them, and obviously maybe some more giveaways. Who knows? life's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted on that. But but anyway, that's the gist of it. So, you know, like and subscribe, give me a follow, and I will be happy enough to continue making content like this and giving giveaways. Now, let's continue here. All right, so I just got to press spin. Now, hopefully the winners are SLK owners. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Let's see. Press. Oh. And our first winner for our G paddles will be... Jesus Christ, that's spinning pretty quick. All right, Alfonso Lally. And he selected the red paddles for his R230. Awesome. Congratulations, my friend. I'll be contacting you shortly. The next winner is going to be... The suspense is killing me. Sweet. We got Phil Sedans, R171 in silver. Oh my God, that's funny. I guess I am keeping the yellow. I had a friend comment like, oh, I'm guessing the yellow are for you. Well, I wasn't expecting that, but these ones I'm going to keep. And these two are going to Alfonso and Phil. Phil keeping the red, Phil keeping the silver, and Alfonso getting the red. Congratulations to you two. Those that did not win, don't despair. I'm going to have plenty of more giveaways in the next coming videos, so stay tuned. One being an R171 carbon fiber spoiler, and the others I will not mention yet. I'll keep you guys in suspense on that. But I really enjoyed kind of giving back to you guys for giving me some support and, you know, kind of pushing me to do this YouTube thing. It's nothing big. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I am pretty excited. That's a milestone, right? 1,000. I guess it's up to me to kind of grow the rest, but hopefully you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. And this is Panzer. You guys take it easy.